Hello everyone, myself Shubham Sable, and before starting anything, I would like to know कि आपको मेरा voice clearly सुनाई दे रहा है? Just a yes or no so that I can be assured कि आपको मेरा voice clearly सुनाई दे रहा है and जो मैं screen यहाँ पे share कर रहा हूँ, जो background share कर रहा हूँ, वो भी आपको clearly दिखाई दे रहा है. Okay, so everything is okay with the voice and the screen sharing everything. So we will start with the session. Okay. सो बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द सेशन आई वुड लाइक टू नो कि लाइक आप में से कितने लोग ने लास्ट फ्यू डेज से मार्केट को फॉलो किया है. व्हाट इज योर व्यू ऑन द मार्केट फर्स्ट? आई वुड लाइक टू नो दैट एनी व्यू दैट यू हैव, लाइक आपने अगर कुछ ऑब्जर्व किया होगा लास्ट कुछ टाइम से कि कैसे मार्केट चल रहा है कुछ लास्ट फ्यू डेज से. सो आपका कोई व्यू बना हो मार्केट को देख के कंटिन्यूअसली, अगर आपने अगर फॉलो किया होगा मार्केट को कुछ दिनों से तो. ओके, सो तो someone is saying कि like up जा रहा है, डाउन जा रहा गया था. ओके फाइन. सो व्यू ऐसा है कि मोस्टली एज इफ यू हैव ऑब्जर्व द मार्केट, लाइक आप अगर लास्ट फ्यू डेज का मार्केट भी ऑब्जर्व करोगे तो मोस्टली ऐसा दिखेगा कि आपको कि मार्केट रेंज बाउंड है. मोस्टली मार्केट अप जाता है, देन काफी कुछ दिनों के लिए कंटिन्यूस अप जाता है थोड़ा थोड़ा पॉइंट्स में, और देन वापस वो वही स्टेज पे वापस रिटर्न पे आ जाता है, स्टिल वहीं पे रहता है. लाइक wasn't much movement in last few days actually. Today actually it moved quite like fast in downward direction, but वो वापस कवर कर लिया मार्केट ने. मार्केट pulled itself up like and it ended like 75 points down. So मूवमेंट तो दे रहा है बट स्टिल रेंज बाउंड ही एंड अप हो रहा है एंड स्टिल एक जोन के इसमें ही एंड हो रहा है. So during these kind of scenarios, when we observe like market is range bound and not moving much, there is one strategy and there are some strategies as well like this which are very interesting to trade, and these are what we call market neutral strategies or neutral strategies. So they do not follow any direction or slightly certain direction, but they are like range bound strategies, or they can be converted into directional strategies as well, as we can change, and if we get the time we will discuss about it as well. But they are mostly range bound strategies where if we think like market range bound ही है, एक certain range में ही रहने वाला है, then we can do this kind of strategies. And the one of the most basic strategy in this is actually butterfly strategy. आप में से कितने लोगों ने सुना है बटरफ्लाई स्ट्रेटेजी के बारे में? काफी वीडियोस भी हमारे हुए हैं उस पे, एंड इट्स अ वेरी सिंपल स्ट्रेटेजी, नॉट मच डिफिकल्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड एक्चुअली, बट इट इज अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग स्ट्रेटेजी सिंस the thing is like it's the basic of like most basic strategy in the non-directional strategies that we follow in our in our Hedged app. Also we give a lots of like system generates lots of like non-directional strategies, and the start of this is actually understanding butterfly strategy. Understanding butterfly strategy is very important to understand the other complex strategies in this format as well, like non-directional strategy. So first of all we will try to understand most basic butterfly strategy, and then if like in next sessions like this we will go to our more complex strategies where we change expiries and something like that. But for today we will be discussing a simple same expiry kind of butterfly strategy. So here what we have done is like we have observed the market since last few days, and what we have observed here is that the market doesn't move or doesn't give much movement in during the day, or if it moves in certain like direction in the start, it will stay in that direction for a particular period, and after that it will revert back to its normal position, like the previous position or something, like cover up itself for certain points. So just what happened today, like 180 points market ne down open hua tha market, and then it covered itself and it ended up at our like 75 points down, something like that. So this is very interesting view. This is very interesting view actually. So what we have to observe here is that like when we observe things like that, there is this strategy always should come in your mind. And since tomorrow is also expiry, so when keep this in mind, like whenever there is our expiries, so during that time same expiry strategies works very well. And since our view on the market is also like there it's not giving much movement, so we have chosen same expiry date butterfly strategy. So let's discuss our strategy then. In our in video, our video, we'll discuss about how the strategy is formed, and then what is the break even of the strategy, what is the maximum loss, maximum profit, all the things that we generally discuss in our general generally discuss in our discussion about the strategies. So let's start with the strategy then. Okay. So what I'm trying to do here is that we are trying to keep our market movement very range bound, and we are trying to reduce our losses to our minimum, and forming the strategy according to it. So let's go to our option chain, NSE option chain, and I have selected tomorrow's expiry, that is 5th September. Since we are doing same expiry strategy, it's better to keep our strikes nearer to the market, that whatever wherever the market is trading at, so that it will generate better profits for us, and that's why we are trying to keep it non-directional. So what I'm trying to do here is that I am trying to buy 25 200 call option, one call option, OTM call option, or in the money call option, slightly in the money call option is perfect for this strategy. Then I'm trying to short some OTM call for 2 lots, and then we are trying to buy 25 400, like something more OTM for our third leg. So I will write it here first. So how the strategy works is that what we do is we buy one lot which is nearer to market. Okay. Then sell two lots which are slightly OTM or ATM. If we are taking ITM option, like we are buying first option as ITM, then we can take ATM option as well. So nearer to market, this is slightly OTM strike, which are we are going to sell 2 lots. So everybody knows ITM, OTM, ATM, right? So I'm not going to practice this in the today's session. In the earlier session that we practiced about ITM, OTM, ATM as well, and I will have a completely different session for moneyness of the option, that is in the money, out of the money, and in the money, out of the money, and so this size perfect, right? Everybody can see it. Okay, perfect. So let's continue with our discussion then. So 2 lots of slightly OTM, and then what we are trying to do is buy 1 lot of extreme OTM, like farther from our short strike. So this is our structure, simple structure है, ज़्यादा difficult नहीं है to understand. It works mostly like आप अगर like मैं हमेशा बताता हूँ आपको कि like whenever we form a strategy, the basic concept is that we try to minimize our losses at like the least like minimum level. कि आपको अगर आप कोई भी स्ट्रेटेजी बाय करते हो तो सिंपल है कि आप अगर सिंगल ऑप्शन बाय करोगे, लेट्स से कि आप कॉल ऑप्शन या पुट ऑप्शन जस्ट सिंगल ऑप्शन आप अगर बाय करते हो, तो देयर इज अ चांसेस कि यू विल लूज ऑल योर प्रीमियम. इट्स जस्ट लाइक जिनको ऑप्शंस पता नहीं है या फर्स्ट टाइम सुन रहे हैं, इट वर्क्स जस्ट लाइक इफ यू बाय अ मूवी टिकट, एंड लेट्स से कि मूवी टिकट का प्राइस आपका 200 या 300 रुपीज का या 500 रुपीज का, समथिंग एनीथिंग लाइक दैट, एंड आपने वो टिकट बाय किया 500 रुपीज का, एंड इफ यू डोंट गो टू द मूवी, देन एक्चुअली यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू गेट एनीथिंग आउट ऑफ इट, लाइक आपका जो मल्टीप्लेक्स वाले वो आपको पैसा रिटर्न तो नहीं करने वाले. So you will lose all the money that you have paid. So 500 rupees is completely wasted if you are not going to watch the movie actually. But if you go to the movie, then you are going to get some value, you are going to get some entertainment. It works simply like that. In a most simplest way, if I have to explain option basic to you, it works in similar way. If the market, let's say you have market is at around 25,000, and you think that market is going to go up, at what level you do not know. So you think like, let's say you predict the market is going to go 25 200, and if you think that market is going to go to 25 200 and you bet on it, like you put a bet on it and you pay certain premium for that bet, let's say you pay 50 rupees for that bet, but if the market doesn't go above 50, like 25 200 before the expiry, then we are going to lose all the premium. सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक? यहाँ तक आप लोगों को समझ में आ रहा है कि आप कितना प्रीमियम लूज कर सकते हैं? लेट्स से कि मैंने 25-200 मार्केट जाने के लिए बेट किया है एंड आई एम पेइंग 50 रुपीज फॉर इट. सो इफ मार्केट डजंट गो 25-200, हाउ मच मनी आर यू एम आई गोइंग टू लूज इन दिस सिनारियो? कैन एनीबडी टेल मी सो आई दैट आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड कि आपको बेसिक अंडरस्टैंडिंग आ रहा है ऑप्शन के बारे में. आई हैव पेड 50 रुपीज सिंपल 25-200 कॉल ऑप्शन के लिए. मार्केट 25,000 पे कि लेट्स से आई हैव रिटन, आई विल राइट इट हियर एज वेल कि निफ्टी 25,000 की रेंज में है एंड माय ऑप्शन दैट आई एम बाइंग, द स्ट्राइक प्राइस ऑफ दैट ऑप्शन इज 25,200. I've paid for it 50 rupees, but market doesn't go 25-200 and above. So how much do you think I will lose here? Just like movie ticket की तरह है. हाँ, perfect, perfect. Lots of right answers here. So 50 rupees you are going to lose. It's simple thing. Options ऐसा ही वर्क करता है कि आपके फेवर में मार्केट नहीं जाएगा तो आप सिंपली आपका सभी जो मनी आपने पे किया वो लूज कर देते हैं. एंड दैट्स हाउ strategies are formed to reduce this like max losses that to our minimum. So in general scenarios, when you buy a share, you do not have this kind of options. You just have stop losses. But in options, when you form strategies, when you build strategies, you have these options where you can reduce your losses to minimum. In the same view, if you are reducing your losses to your minimum, at the same time, you can keep your profits at max level as well. So different types of strategies we can form, and you will be surprised like how interesting strategy our app also gives and our system also generates like in which we have like minimum losses and very high returns as well. So stay connected with us for this kind of strategies as well. If you are interested, just type your number as well, so I can forward that number to get if you want to know more about us. So let's continue with the strategy then. What I'm trying to buy here is that we are buying one lot nearer to market, then sell two lots and then buy one further OTM lot. So what I'm doing here is I'm buying 25-200 call option at 54 rupees. I will write it here like I'm buying one lot of 25-200 call option. So C is basically sign for call European option. So call option at 54.90. Let's write 55 rupees. Okay. Then I'm trying to sell slightly farther from this strike. One option that will be lesser for the price from here. So let's say two lot. I'm trying to sell 25,300 call option at 21.5 rupees. And buy one lot 25,400 call option at just 7.9 rupees. So you can see here the prices are LTV is 54.9, then 21.65. So 21.5 I have written, I think, yes. And 7.9 is the price of 25,400 call option. So these are calls, okay, and 25,400 call option 7.9. So let's write 8 rupees, okay. Okay, so someone asking like how much difference? It can be anything like it can be upon your view. First of all, I will try to explain you what is the break even of this strategy. Understanding that will help you and like choose the strikes on your own. So that is also interesting thing. Like if you understand how strategy works, then you can choose your strike as per your choice. Okay, so let's understand this strategy first. So maximum loss, I think lots of people have seen this strategy, so I think I will get the right answer from you as well. I would like to know कि आप में से कितने लोग कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं कि मैक्सिमम लॉस कितना होगा इस स्ट्रेटेजी में? कोई बता सकता है मुझे मैक्सिमम लॉस कितना होगा इस स्ट्रेटेजी में? Let's wait. Like I want like some answers from you as well. I think we have done a lot of sessions on this particular topic. This is a very interesting topic also. Okay, so someone has given right answer. I want some more people to give the right answer as well. Let's calculate quickly. Like, do your calculation works fast. Let's see how fast you can do. Like, find out what is the maximum loss of the strategy. Okay. Okay, so some people have given right answer, and I will calculate for you as well. For those who do not know or might not have understood this. So what we have done is, whenever don't be afraid whenever there is a single expiry involved in your strategy. For single expiry, calculating maximum loss, maximum profit, break even is the easiest thing. So first of all, what is the maximum loss? Maximum loss is whatever premium that you have paid. Whatever premium means what, just like movie ticket kind of thing is here. Instead of buying one single option, we have bought two options, sold two options. So there must be some premium paid we have. So what premium we have paid? Total premium we have paid is 55 plus 8 rupees. We have bought two options, 25 200 and 25 400. So this premium is actually the premium that we have gave. So 55 plus 8 is our 63 rupees premium that we have given. Okay. Until this is clear. And what premium we have received? We have sold two lots of 25 300 call option at 21.5 rupees. So we have sold these options. So let's write it here. 63 is what we have paid, and minus what we have received is 21.5 into 2. So 43 rupees. So everybody will be able to calculate this. I think 63 minus 43 is 20 rupees. That is our maximum loss. 20 rupees is our maximum loss into lot size of Nifty. So lot size of Nifty is basically 25. So we will multiply this by the lot size. So 20 into 25. That comes to around how much? 20 into 20. For those who might not be able to calculate, 500 rupees is our maximum loss. That is our maximum loss. We are not going to lose anything more than that. So strategies also have this interesting thing where you have inbuilt stop losses. So if you do not want to lose certain amount of money, like I don't want to lose more than this, you can just create the strategy in this way where you will, your maximum loss will be as per your requirements. So that is our maximum loss. So once you have calculated like what is our total premium paid, so I will write here total premium paid is 20 rupees. So 20 rupees is our total premium paid. So once you have found what is the our total premium paid, you can easily calculate your maximum loss as well as break even as well. So break even क्या होगा आपका? कौन बता सकता है मुझे? Okay, so I will explain this as well. ब्रेक इवन क्या होता है? ब्रेक इवन ये होता है कि आपने जितना पैसा दिया है, लेट्स से कि आपने 50 रुपए दिया था किसी ऑप्शन के लिए, 25 200 ऑप्शन के लिए आपने 50 रुपए दिया था. लास्ट टाइम का एग्जांपल हम रिपीट करते हैं. एंड मार्केट सच में 25,200 तक पहुंच गया. देन व्हाट? देन आप उसके बाद क्या? आपने एक्चुअली पे जो पे किया है वो 25,200 प्लस 50 25,200 के लिए पे किया है, प्लस 50 रुपीज आपने प्रीमियम पे किया. तो वो प्रीमियम आपको रिसीव होना चाहिए, उतना एटलीस्ट मार्केट ऊपर जाना चाहिए, तब जाके आपको प्रॉफिट स्टार्ट होगा. सो दिस इज द बेसिक कंसेप्ट ऑफ एनी ऑप्शन कि आपने जितना प्रीमियम पे किया है जिस भी स्ट्राइक के लिए, वो स्ट्राइक प्लस उतना प्रीमियम एटलीस्ट कवर होना चाहिए, उसके बाद आपको एक्चुअल में प्रॉफिट स्टार्ट होता है. सो सिमिलर कंसेप्ट हियर है. Doesn't need to be like too complicated. our nearest strategy strike is 25,200. Okay, so nearest strike is 25,200 प्लस उतना प्रीमियम आपको कवर करना पड़ेगा जितना आपने पे किया है. व्हाट इज द प्रीमियम पेड हियर? नो, नो. ओके, सो आई विल एक्सप्लेन हियर. व्हाट इज द टोटल प्रीमियम पेड हियर? आपने 20 रुपीज पे किया है तो 20 रुपीज एटलीस्ट आपको कवर करना पड़ेगा, राइट? So only 20 rupees is our premium here that we have paid in total. So 25 to 20, that is our first break even, which will be if the market starts moving upward side. The first break even that our like strategy is going to have is 25 to 100. This is first break even actually. Okay, but market आपके फेवर में एक्चुअली जाता भी है तो आपके पास क्या होगा कि वंस इट रीचेस मैक्सिमम वैल्यू, it will, like I will explain this in our like I have also given like payoff graph also I have, so I will explain in this as well कि like कैसे होता है. First of all I will just give the general idea to you कि like let's say कि आपका मार्केट यहाँ पे था, this dotted line is our market line, निफ्टी की line, and let's say कि market starts moving above our 25,300. So already 25,200 sorry. So already market यहाँ पे कहीं पे भी है, and let's say market starts moving above. So this zone will be our first break even. That is our 25,220 that we have calculated here. 25,220. Once market moves above this, this will be our maximum profit zone. And once after that, if the market keeps moving further, then we are going to lose money. Two sold calls here, so that won't cover for the our buy lots as well. So we are going to lose the money that we have actually paid. 25 to 20 will be our maximum, like first nearest strike, and we also need to calculate our second break even. So let's write here our second break even. So second break even क्या है? यहाँ पे मैं पूरा लिख ही लेता हूँ, प्रीमियम पेड, तो आपको थोड़ा सा अंडरस्टैंड करने वाली इजी हो जाए. जो आपका दूर का स्ट्राइक है उससे पहले आपका ब्रेक इवन है तो वहां से आपका लॉस होना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. सो जो दूर का स्ट्राइक है आपका फारदेस्ट स्ट्राइक माइनस द टोटल प्रीमियम पेड. सो आपका दूर का स्ट्राइक कौन सा है? 25,400 माइनस 20, सो इज इक्वल्स टू कितना रहेगा वो? 25,380. यहाँ पे मैं कैलकुलेट करके भी आपको दिखा देता हूँ. सो 25,400 minus 20, 25,380. So that will be our second break even. Okay, ठीक है. सो यहां तक सभी लोग क्लियर है? आपका ब्रेक इवन क्या रहेंगे? ब्रेक इवन रहेंगे तभी, आई थिंक समवन हैज आस्क्ड लाइक हाउ मच. हाँ, सो समवन हैज आस्क्ड लाइक स्ट्राइक प्राइस, स्ट्राइक कैसे सिलेक्ट करना है? इट डिपेंड्स ऑन दिस सिनेरियो कि आपको ब्रेक इवन कितना आपका दूर रखना है, बिकॉज ब्रेक इवन के बाद आपका लॉस स्टार्ट होता है. सो आपको ब्रेक इवन ऐसा रखना पड़ेगा जहां से आपको लगता है कि जितना मार्केट मूव हो सकता है, ज्यादा मार्केट नहीं हो सकता. सो मुझे यहाँ लगा था कि मार्केट 200 पॉइंट से ज्यादा मूव नहीं होगा. सो 200 पॉइंट्स का मैंने यहाँ पे गैप रखा है. 200 पॉइंट्स नहीं, इसे हम बोलेंगे कि 160 पॉइंट्स का गैप हमने रखा है दोनों साइड के लिए. So that is the maximum movement. If you observe market in last few days, you will understand कि like यहाँ पे ज्यादा से ज्यादा market move हुआ है in this zone. So we are trying to play safe here. We are trying to keep our zone minimum. So ये हमारा ये है ब्रेक इवन है. मैक्सिमम प्रॉफिट, ये इसमें काफी लोगों को आई थिंक कॉम्प्लिकेशंस और थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्टी फील होता है. मैक्सिमम प्रॉफिट कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे? सभी जो है ना, ये एक ही चीज जो है ना, टोटल प्रीमियम पेड, इसी पे सब आपका कैलकुलेशन हो जाता है। जस्ट अंडरस्टैंडिंग करना थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट होता है कि कहाँ से कैसे मैं करूँ। सो क्या रहेगा आपका मैक्सिमम प्रॉफिट? कितने लोगों को लगता है क्या रहेगा आपका मैक्सिमम प्रॉफिट? कौन कैलकुलेट कर सकता है? ओके, सो मैक्सिमम प्रॉफिट जो रहता है ना आपका, ओके करेक्ट करेक्ट। सो मैक्सिमम प्रॉफिट जो रहता है वो आपका, लेट्स से मैं यहाँ पे आपको थोड़ा सा पे ऑफ ग्राफ के बारे में भी थोड़ा समझा दूं। सो पे ऑफ ग्राफ आपको क्लियरली दिख रहा है, ये पे ऑफ ग्राफ, दिस इज व्हाट वी हैव क्रिएटेड, दिस इज आवर पे ऑफ ग्राफ। मार्केट स्टार्ट मूविंग अप, यहाँ पे हमारा मैक्सिमम प्रॉफिट होने वाला है ये जोन पे। एंड देन आफ्टर दैट इफ मार्केट कीप्स मूविंग अप, our profit will start reducing as well. Okay, so uh, just a minute, हाँ। ओके, सो विजिबल है अभी? ओके परफेक्ट। सो यहाँ पे आपका ये यही पे ऑफ ग्राफ है आपका, सिंपल है, कोई ज्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड ग्राफ नहीं है। मार्केट स्टार्ट मूविंग अप इन योर फेवर, दिस विल बी अवर मैक्सिमम profit का point, maximum profit zone. And after that, once the market start moving above that, you will start losing your profits as well. And if the market keeps moving up, then you will going to hit your break even again. And then your maximum loss that we have calculated here, which was around 500 rupees, right? 500 rupees का लॉस था हमारा मैक्सिमम जो हमने कैलकुलेट किया था। सो दिस इज अवर पे ऑफ ग्राफ। व्हाट हैपेंस हियर इज दैट once market starts moving up, our first leg will be ITM. Okay. If market stays at 25,300, what will happen? Can anybody tell me कि 25, if the market at expiry, if market is at 25,300, what do you think, क्या क्या हो सकता है आपको, आपके हिसाब में? 25,200 का कॉल ऑप्शन क्या रहेगा? आईटीएम रहेगा, ओटीएम रहेगा, एटीएम रहेगा? हाँ करेक्ट, समवन हैज गिवन राइट आंसर एक्चुअली। सो मैं जस्ट आप लोगों को पूछना चाहता हूँ कि 25,200 कॉल ऑप्शन आपका जो रहेगा वो क्या रहेगा? आईटीएम रहेगा, करेक्ट। सो ये आईटीएम हो जाएगा, ठीक है। 25,300 जो है हमारा वो क्या हो जाएगा? एटीएम। एंड 25,400 जो है कॉल ऑप्शन, वो क्या होगा आपका? ओटीएम, करेक्ट। काफी लोगों को ये चीजें अभी काफी क्लियरली समझ रही है, आई थिंक। काफी राइट आंसर्स आ रहे हैं मुझे, परफेक्ट है ये एक्चुअली, काफी अच्छा है। सो 25,200 कॉल आईटीएम रहेगा। कितना मिनिमम प्राइस होना चाहिए उसका? एक्सपायरी के दिन एक्सपायरी होने वाला है, 100, करेक्ट। सो 100 उसका मैक्सिमम वैल्यू रहेगा। हमारा एटीएम कॉल का क्या रहे, क्या हो जाएगा? 0 हो जाएगा, परफेक्ट। एंड हमारा ओटीएम कॉल वो भी 0 हो जाएगा। सो 100 रुपीज शुड बी आवर मैक्सिमम प्रॉफिट, राइट? उतना तो प्रॉफिट हो जाएगा, बाकी दोनों तो 0 हो गए। 100 रुपीज शुड बी आवर मैक्सिमम प्रॉफिट। सम एवरीवन इज सेइंग राइट, बट आप में को आप लोगों ने एक चीज भूल भूल गए आप। एक चीज जो थी आपकी, मैंने काफी पहले आपको बताया था कि एक चीज आप कैलकुलेट करोगे ना तो आपका सब जो कैलकुलेशन है वो आप समझ जाएंगे। टोटल प्रीमियम पेड जो था वो तो आपका रह गया ना। टोटल प्रीमियम पेड कितना था इधर? 20 रुपीज, राइट? सो वो तो आपको नहीं मिलने वाला है, वो तो आपको गया है, पहले से गया हुआ है, वो तो नहीं मिलने वाला है। तो यहाँ से जो 100 रुपीज मिला है माइनस टोटल प्रीमियम पेड, सो मैक्सिमम प्रॉफिट इज 100 which was our at expiry, our ITM कॉल का वैल्यू माइनस आवर टोटल प्रीमियम पेड जो हमने दिया था. अभी आप मूवी देख लिया, आपने मूवी देख लिया, तो आप वापिस मल्टीप्लेक्स के पास ओनर के पास जाके बोलोगे कि मुझे मेरा टिकट का पैसा, मूवी टिकट का पैसा मैंने देख लिया भाई, मजा नहीं आया मूवी को, मुझे वापस चाहिए पैसा. ऐसा हो सकता है क्या? सो नहीं होता है ऑब्वियसली, राइट. सो ऐसा ही है ऑप्शन का बेसिकली, कि आपका अगर आपने भले ही प्रीमियम पेड जो होता है तो आपका लूज है, पूरा लॉस है उसका वैल्यू. इफ मार्केट गोज इन फेवर, basically simply like if you go to watch movie, you will receive some value, but your total premium paid will be lost. Similarly here as well, even if market movie is moving in your favor, even if market is at 25,300, which is the point we wanted, even after that your total premium paid will be lost, because it's a premium that you have paid for the bet or the strategy. So that is going to lose. So क्या होता है, कितना रहेगा यहाँ पे अपना प्रीमियम? 80 इंटू हमारा जो लॉट साइज था, so 80 into 25, that is 2000. So 2000 is our maximum loss. It is a very good ratio, right? Like 500 के अगेंस्ट आप 2000 का मैक्सिमम प्रॉफिट के लिए बेट कर रहे हैं. इट्स अ वेरी गुड थिंग. और यही स्ट्रैटेजी है बटरफ्लाई स्ट्रैटेजी. Remember this कि like this strategy works really good, like every expiry strategies works really good when expiry is very near. So whenever you are trying to trade in a nearby like this kind of strategy, like similar expiry strategy, you can you should always go for like nearest to expiry. Like आप नजदीक होगे तो आपके लिए ज्यादा बेनिफिट रहता है यहाँ इन स्ट्रेटेजीज में, बिकॉज द प्रीमियम लूजिंग, लाइक प्रीमियम आपको लूज करना है, ये प्रीमियम आपको रिसीव करना है जो फटाफट होगा. सो दिस हैपन्स मोस्टली नियर टू एक्सपायरी टाइम. सो जब टाइम नियर लाइक एक्सपायरी के नजदीक होता है हमारा डेट, तो काफी ज्यादा फायदा होता है इन स्ट्रैटेजीज में आपको. सो सेम एक्सपायरी स्ट्रैटेजीज. सो कल आपके लिए निफ्टी का ये था, सिंपली निफ्टी का एक्सपायरी आया, तो ये दिस काइंड ऑफ स्ट्रैटेजी एक्चुअली रियली वर्क, एंड यू माइट बी एबल टू सी सम स्ट्रैटेजीज लाइक दिस in tomorrow's sessions as well, trading sessions as well. So this is our strategy. I hope everybody has understood कि like कैसा होता है maximum profit, maximum loss, break even कैसे calculate करते हैं. This has a very interesting way to trade in like if you can change expiries and mix expiries, but you need to know some you need to have some better understanding of options as well before we can discuss this kind of like changing the expiry kind of thing. But for today, I wanted to explain you one of the most basic concepts of this strategy. So I hope you have understood this all these things. And if you're like interested to know more about strategies like this, you can just drop your number and I will forward this to our executive, customer executive, and he will contact you, or he or she will contact you to let you know more about our Hedged app. So this kind of strategy as has one certain problem. So what happens is that, what happens if you're trying to buy 3 legs, so you have to put 3 orders differently for each separate leg. What happens is that getting these values, right, getting these values at the same price is important. Why? Because you need to keep your total premium paid at 20 rupees. You wanted to lose only like 20 rupees. But let's say you just went and paid like आपने strategy बना लिया, आपने decide कर लिया कि मुझे ये करना है strategy, and you paid 55 rupees or 50, instead of 55 rupees, let's say 60 rupees for your first IT call of first leg. And then what happened? Like market suddenly slightly dropped and you couldn't get your other 2 legs. So now what happened is that you wanted to buy this at 55, but you bought it for 60 rupees. But then you waited for the 2 options to get in in line with it, but you couldn't get it. So instead of in a hurry, you just went with whatever price that you can get. So you got these values. So what will be the maximum loss in this scenario? That will be 25 rupees. Your whole calculation will mess up. So these kind of scenarios, if you don't want to happen, you can actually subscribe to our channel and subscribe to our Hedged services, and you will actually get you can just buy the whole strategy with just one click, and you don't have to worry about like thinking about the strategy as well. The system will generate the strategies for you, and you will get better results from that, instead of doing whole work for on your own. So this is the benefit of our app, and you can get like education from us about the options. I hope you are learning a lot from us as well. So stay connected with us. We will be getting more interesting topics like this as well in our coming sessions. So we have all kinds of topics here as well. Like if you go to just our Hedged app, Hedged.in website, and if you click on HTV, you can watch these sessions. You will get a recorded session for this video as well, for this session as well, and you can watch it if you had any problem understanding in the running time. So be connected with us, and I think I will be ending my topic with this. Have a nice day ahead, and thank you for being with me. Thank you. Bye.